So let's start further. In the previous video we have done up to here. Like a cat means he had clean habits and he scrubbed his face like a cat. He slept at night in the cook's quarter. Cook, what is the name of the cook? Mahmood. So he slept in cook's quarter, was always delighted at being let out him by him in the morning, and he was very happy at being taken out by Mahmood in the morning. One of these days, one day declared grandmother in her prophetic manner, भविष्यवाणी करते हुए कहा, we are going to find Timothy sitting on Mahmood's bed and no sign of the cook except his clothes and shoes. Means one day will come when we will find Timothy only. Where? On Mahmood's bed. What will we not find? We no sign of the cook. Cook नहीं मिलेगा, सिर्फ उसके clothes and shoes ही मिलेंगे. It means she was trying to say that one day will come when Timothy will kill and eat Mahmood, and only Mahmood's clothes and shoes can be seen. Of course it never came to that. Of course it never happened. ऐसा नहीं हुआ. But when Timothy was about 6 months old, a change came over him. Means a change came in him. He grew steadily less friendly. Now he is becoming less friendly. Went out for a walk with me. And when Timothy moves out for a walk with author, he would try to steal away, try to move away, to stalk a cat. कभी किसी cat का पीछा करता है. Someone's pet pecknies. कभी किसी pecknies, it is a kind of dog. कभी किसी dog का पीछा करता है. Sometime at night he would hear frenzied cackling from poultry house. Frenzied cackling means uncontrollable sound of hens can be heard in the night. कहाँ से? From the poultry house. Poultry means जहाँ पे हम hens को रखते हैं, वहाँ से hens की आवाज़ आती थी. And in the morning there would be feathers lying all over the veranda. And in the morning they see feathers, पंख बिखरे हुए थे veranda में. What does it show? That कि रात में टाइगर hens को खाता था. He is becoming less friendly nowadays. Timothy had to be chained up more often. पहले से ज़्यादा उसको अब चेन अप करके रखना पड़ता था, बांध के रखना पड़ता था. And finally when he began to stalk Muhammad about the house, when he started following Mahmood at the house, about the house, with what looked like villainous intent, ऐसा बिल्कुल एक दुश्मन जैसा उसका इरादा नजर आता था कि अभी ये महमूद को खा जाएगा, जिस तरह से उसे स्टॉक करता था, फॉलो करता था. ग्रैंडफादर डिसाइडेड टू वाज टाइम टू ट्रांसफर हिम टू अ जू. नाउ ग्रैंडफादर डिसाइडेड दैट वी शुड लीव टिमोथी इन अ जू. द नियरेस्ट जू वाज एट लखनऊ, 200 miles away from there. So which was the nearest Jew? Lucknow, and 200 miles away from there. Reserving a first class compartment for himself and Timothy. Means now grandfather reserved a first class compartment of train for himself and Timothy. No one would share the compartment with them. No one could be there. Grandfather took him to Lucknow, where the Jew authorities were only too glad to receive as a gift a well-fed and fairly civilized tiger. ध्यान से समझो. Grandfather took him the लखनऊ ले गए उसे वहां पे. took him to लखनऊ, नॉट दा लखनऊ. दा लखनऊ कभी भी प्रॉपर नाउन से पहले दा नहीं लगाते हैं. सो हाउ टू स्पीक. ग्रैंडफादर टुक हिम टू लखनऊ. लखनऊ ले गए जहाँ पे जू की अथॉरिटी टू ग्लैड बहुत खुश हुए, टू रिसीव पाकर, एज ए गिफ्ट गिफ्ट जैसा, वेल फेड बिल्कुल अच्छे से पाला हुआ, फेयरली सिविलाइज्ड बिल्कुल डिसिप्लिन वाला टाइगर. व्हाट डू यू मीन? कि वो बहुत खुश हुए पाकर एक गिफ्ट ही था वो उनके लिए, जब उन्हें इतना अच्छा टाइगर मिल रहा है, सिविलाइज्ड और वेल फेड टाइगर उन्हें मिल रहा है, तो दे आर वेरी हैप्पी. About 6 months later, when my grandparents were visiting relatives in Lucknow, 6 महीने बाद when grandmother and grandfather both gone to Lucknow, grandfather took the opportunity of calling at the Jew. Means grandfather moved to Jew to see how Timothy was getting on. That how is Timothy? I was not there to accompany him. Author is telling when grandfather moved to Lucknow, I was not with grandfather, but I heard all about it when he returned to Dehra. But when grandfather returned to Dehra from Lucknow after meeting to Timothy, then grandfather told everything to the author. Arriving at the zoo में पहुंचकर grandfather made straight for the particular cage in which Timothy had been interned. Means जिस केज में से रखा गया था, he made straight for the particular cage. He moved towards that particular cage in which Timothy was kept. The tiger was there crouched in a corner. Crouched अभी मैंने बताया था अपनी बॉडी को सिकुड़ लेना. So the tiger was in the corner with his body bent near the ground, full grown and with a magnificent striped coat. Full grown means he is completely grown. Now he is bigger. With the magnificent, amazing, shandar, stripped coat. Why it is said stripped coat? Stripped coat क्यों कहा गया है? Because a tiger has strips on his body. Black strips are there on yellow tiger, so that are strips यानी पट्टियाँ. कोट जो उसकी स्किन है, सो पट्टियों वाला कोट ग्रैंडफादर उसकी स्किन को कहता है. सो दिस इज फॉर टुडे. टुमारो वी विल डू नेक्स्ट 2 pages. Goodbye. Read the pages again.